Hello, I'm David Rolfe, head of Visa Ventures and host of Visa Spotlight. In the Spotlight series, we explore how innovation is shaping the payments landscape and how Visa solutions are putting these innovations to work to connect the world through a secure, reliable, and cutting edge payment network. In previous episodes, we looked at specific product innovations, such as Visa's use of AI to streamline and protect payments, and how our network facilitates simple and secure global transactions. Today, we're going to focus on how Visa innovation is delivered with our partners and how we are working with governments to help them solve complex public sector challenges. In this episode, we will showcase Visa government solutions, along with two real-world stories of government innovation. To begin, we'll hear from Rajiv Garodia, SVP and Global Head of Visa Government Solutions. Rajiv will explain how Visa's expertise and global network helps public sector organizations deliver services more efficiently and effectively to collect revenue, manage expenses, and disburse funds. Next, we'll explore two client stories in Germany and Côte d'Ivoire that demonstrate how Visa and its partners provide solutions for more secure, efficient, and accessible payments. Now, I'll hand it off to Rajiv Garodia. Rajiv, over to you.
Thank you, David. And hello, everyone. I'm Rajiv Garodia. Today, governments and public sector face many complex challenges, from promoting economic growth to managing public funds efficiently to ensure that people and businesses have ready access to public services. And to help them meet these challenges, governments around the world are going through a massive digital transformation. With our global network of partners, Visa has been innovating with public sector for over half a century. Now we have created Visa Government Solutions, which is our own dedicated team to put all our expertise and capabilities and global network to work for the specific needs and challenges of the public sector. There are a few different ways in which we can help. One is revenue collection. Think taxes and fines and all the fees we have to pay the government. We can help government streamline tax and fee collection, reduce fraud, and make it simpler for people and businesses to make these payments. Think about government spending. And there are two parts to this. One is social benefits and social disbursement programs. Our solutions can help make sure that these payments can be made simply and securely to the intended recipients. And finally, we have Visa Government Insights Hub, where our solutions can help with timely and granular insights into spending and economic activity, helping governments form better policies and measure their impact. Now let's take a deeper look. We'll now go to a real-life case study in Germany, where my friend and colleague Uta will talk about a very innovative solution to digitize payments to a very important segment of refugees and migrants in German cities. Over to you, Uta.
Hello, everyone, and thanks for the introduction, Rajiv. Today, we will discuss a remarkable collaboration between Visa, public, and German authorities that has delivered a groundbreaking solution to provide financial aid to international refugees in Germany. I'm joined by Jörg Spitaler from Public and by Dr. Tim Hoppe. He is Head of Statistics, Data and Digitization for the city of Magdeburg. Thank you both for being here. And to set the stage, Dr. Hoppe, could you tell us about the refugee situation in Magdeburg and the challenges faced with prior means of distributing aid to them?
Certainly. In recent years, Magdeburg, like many other cities in Germany, has experienced a significant influx of refugees from various countries. Traditional methods of distribution aid, such as petty cash or vouchers, were inefficient and often lead to delays and administrative burden. They created significant challenges for both the government and the aid recipients.
Thank you very much for that context. Jörg, what solution did Visa and Public provide to address exactly these challenges?
Well, Uta, Visa and Public collaborated to create a digital financial aid solution. We issued debit Visa cards to refugees, enabling them to access funds more securely and more conveniently. These debit cards could be used at any location that accepts Visa, providing greater flexibility to the recipients.
And could you elaborate a little bit on how this solution is beneficial for both government administrators and aid recipients?
Certainly. For government administrators, this digital solution reduced the time and resources needed to distribute aid, leading to efficiency savings of approximately 90%. For recipients, it meant quicker access to funds and the ability to use the funds in a manner that best suited their needs, improving their overall experience and their ability to adapt to life in general.
It's truly amazing to see the impact that innovation and technology can have. Dr. Haupe, what policy outcomes did the solution help to achieve in Magdeburg?
The solution improved transparency and accountability in the distribution of aid. It also promoted financial inclusion among refugees, helping to enable their integration into the local economy. This had a positive impact on local communities as well.
And Jörg, quickly, can you share how Visa Public and the German authorities worked together to design and implement this solution?
Well, the success of this program has opened new doors, and perhaps it's Tim who can tell us more about the potential future application of our solution.
Yeah, given the success and efficiency gains observed with the refugee payment program, German authorities are now considering similar solutions for other use cases, such as unemployment benefits. The potential to streamline various government aid programs using digital solutions is immense, and we are optimistic about the future.
Thank you both for sharing these insights. This collaboration truly showcases the power of innovation and collaboration in solving complex challenges. And now we will transition back to Rajiv Garodia to continue the discussion.
Thank you, Uta. The remarkable thing about the social card solution in Germany is that it enables substantial efficiencies for government authorities. But at the same time, it provides an enhanced experience and benefits for end users. Today, people and businesses expect interactions with governments to be as convenient and simple as making an online purchase, posting on social media, or watching an online video like the one you're watching now. And a digital government can enable that level of experience. Payment digitization can also help governments to foster digital and financial inclusion among hard-to-reach groups that have traditionally lacked easy access to government services or the financial system. To illustrate this, let's hear another real-world story, this time from Côte d'Ivoire in Africa, where Visa and our partner Push have worked with the government to deliver a very innovative payment solution for cocoa farmers throughout the country. Over to you, Ismail.
Thank you, Rajiv. We are excited to share the impactful collaboration between Visa, Push, and the Coffee Cocoa Board of Côte d'Ivoire, aimed at addressing the significant challenges faced by cocoa growers and purchasing agents. And I'm joined today by Selma Wikini, the CEO of Push. Thank you for being here, Selma. To begin, could you provide some context about the cocoa growers in Côte d'Ivoire and the challenges they were facing?
Certainly. Côte d'Ivoire is the world's leading cocoa producer. However, most growers operate informally and face challenges such as fair pricing, financial inclusion, and supply chain traceability. Many farmers lack formal identification, limiting access to financial services due to KYC constraints. Payments have traditionally been cash-based, unsecure, and difficult to trace. And the absence of structured purchase records complicates compliance with international regulations such as EU deforestation regulation. This regulation requires full supply chain traceability. These factors undermine farmers' financial security and affect the sector's sustainability and competitiveness in global markets. Visa, Push, and the Ivorian government collaborated to create a comprehensive digital platform. We introduced a system where agents can purchase and pay cocoa beans digitally at the farm gates using mobile devices. Growers were provided with a push mobile wallet, enabling them to receive payments directly and securely. Additionally, we implemented a robust KYC process to help growers obtain formal identification, which is essential for the financial inclusion. The solution also included a digital platform that manages and traces cocoa purchase data, ensuring transparency throughout the supply chain.
That sounds like a real game changer. So how did this solution help solve the specific challenges you mentioned?
Actually, the digital payment system eliminated the need of cash transactions, reducing the risk of theft and fraud. By providing growers with digital wallets, we ensured that they could receive payments securely and promptly. The formal identification process helped overcome KYC challenges, enabling more growers to access financial services. The digital platform for managing and tracing cocoa purchase data improved transparency and accountability, benefiting all the stakeholders in the supply chain.
That's impressive. What have been the results since the implementation of this solution?
The results have been very encouraging. 1 million farmers have received their personalized Visa push card, which serves both as an identification card and a payment tool. Thousands of cocoa growers have been brought into the formal financial system, allowing them to access a range of financial services for the first time.
Collaboration is crucial in initiatives like this. How have Visa, Push, and the authorities in Côte d'Ivoire worked together to design and implement a solution fit for these specific and nuanced challenges?
The collaboration between Visa, Push, and the Côte d'Ivoire authorities has been instrumental in the success of this initiative. We worked closely with local authorities to understand the unique challenges faced by the cocoa growers and to ensure that our solution was tailored to their needs. Visa provided the technological expertise, Push came up with innovative solutions and facilitated the on-ground implementation, and the authorities initiated, funded, and supported us by promoting the adoption of the solution among the growers and the whole supply chain.
It's truly inspiring to see how this collaborative effort has made a real difference in the lives of cocoa growers in Côte d'Ivoire. Thank you for sharing this insight, Salma. We hope you have found this story of payment innovation informative, but also very inspiring.
Thank you, Ismail and Selma. And thank you to our other Spotlight participants in Berlin, Ute König-Stemmler from Visa, Jörg Schwetala from Public, Dr. Tim Hoppe from the city of Magdeburg. These stories of governments transforming how they work through digital innovation are truly inspirational. At Visa, it is our mission to connect the world through a secure, reliable, and innovative payment network and to enable people and economies to thrive. Through Visa Government Solutions, we are dedicated to putting our expertise, solutions, and our global partner network to work for governments worldwide in pursuit of that mission. If you'd like more information, please visit visa.com/government solutions. Thank you for watching.